The duckling school.
Little duckling go to school.
By a clear and sunny pool, little ducklings go to school. By a clear and sunny pool, and the curious things they learn, and the curious things they learn. How to swim and drive and turn, how to swim and drive and turn, how to spread their toes and walk, how to spread their toes and walk. With their body how to talk, with their body how to talk. In the funny duckling way, in the funny duckling way. Quack, quack, quackling on the way. Quack, quack, quackling on the way. Quack, quack, quackling on the way. Thank you.
Thank